Pansy flowers are one of the most beautiful flowers that are too much easy to grow. If you are going to grow your first plant for the first time, then pansy flower plants are the best choice. In this video we are going to know some important care points about pansy plants that helps you growing these beautiful flowers without any problem. So keep watching, and subscribe to our gardening channel. Pansy plants can be grown in a slightly cooler area very easily. In the tropical area, you can grow them in winters. Pansy flowers have number of color ranges that makes them more attractive. They also have some hybrid varieties that look slightly different from general pansy flowers. About a temperature range of 15 to 28 degrees is perfect for a healthy blooming on pansies. In the Western world, the pansy flowers grows all around the year. But where the temperature rises up to 45 degrees in summers, it becomes hard for the pansy flowers to survive. They can be grown from seeds in early winter's days, or we can also propagate them from younger stem cuttings. But the best way to grow beautiful pansy flowers is to buy their seedlings from nursery. They are very easily available in the winter days. Pansies are the low-maintenance, easy-to-grow, winter flowering plants that produces lots of flowers in smaller containers. They don't grow so much taller, but spreads very fastly. You can grow them in smaller pots with a soft and well-draining potting mix. A soil mixture with good drainage and some nutrients works perfect for pansies. Make a mix of organic compost, sandy soil, cocoa peat, and some cow dung. In such type of soil mixture, pansy plants and seedlings both grows very healthily. But if you want a ready-made mixture, check out a link in the description box. Now we are going to talk about some important points for growing healthy pansy flowers constantly, without any issue. Pansy flower plants requires a sunny area. About 2 to 4 hours of sunlight is very much beneficial for a healthy blooming on pansy plants. If you place your pansies in a shaded area with a very less amount of sun, then plant shows such type of yellow leaves. They became yellow because they are on the downside of the plant, where the sun can't reach properly. Deficiency of sun shows less blooming and a stunted growth on pansy plant. For the watering of pansy plants, you have to check the soil moisture level before watering. Simply touch the soil a little and feel the moisture. Pansy plants loves to have a deep watering. Let the soil to dry out and then water thoroughly. If your soil mix is not draining properly, then watering must be performed very carefully. So must use a well-draining soil mixture from the description link. Water blockage can cause root rot problem or yellow leaves, so be careful. If we talk about the diseases and problems that found in pansy flowers, are very fewer, and they can be cured very easily. You may found yellow leaves on pansies, that can be caused by overwatering or nutrients deficiency. We will talk about that further in this video, so keep watching. For the pests and insects, these black dots mostly found in pansies in spring days. These are the thrips that can be harmful if spreads. They can be cured very easily by using our homemade organic pesticide that is very easy to make and apply. The detailed video on organic pesticides is added in the description box. You can check out that. You can prevent all type of pests by using an organic pesticide if regularly used. The best ready-made organic pesticide is added in the description box. You can buy that. These are the some problems and pests that commonly found in pansy flowers. Other are very rare issues. I have also made an article on growing pansy flowers that can help you even more understanding these points. The article is added in description and on our website 𝑘𝙝𝙭𝙥𝙚𝙧𝙨. Lastly, if we talk about the fertilizer that works great for pansies, then mustard cake liquid is the best choice. This liquid fertilizer have almost all the required nutrients for pansies to bloom heavily. Apply this liquid every 10 to 15 days for a continuous blooming. For making mustard cake liquid, you can check out a video from the description box and I button. Pansy plants doesn't require so much fertilization, but it can help to improve blooming. For getting more and more flowers on pansy plants, remove these dried flowers time to time. Use this liquid every 10 to 15 days, and grow them in a right season. Because in the burning environment of summers, the pansy plants reduces their flower size and stops their growth. If the temperature rises so much, then sometimes they even die. but we can collect their seeds to grow them again in the next season, if you are in a tropical region, where the temperature rises up to 45 degrees in summers. So this is the whole video, for growing pansy flowers, that cover almost everything about pansy flowers. For any question, comment below. And if you want to make the best liquid fertilizer for flowering plants, then check out this mustard cake liquid fertilizer here. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates.